Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer accounts to PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer accounts to PayPal, start by logging into your existing PayPal account. On the PayPal homepage, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to navigate to your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the account section and click on it. You will see options related to your account information. Identify the linked accounts or bank accounts option and select it. Here, you will have the option to link a new account. Follow the prompts to enter the details of the account you wish to transfer funds to or from. Make sure to enter the correct bank account number and routing number. After entering the information, click Link Account or Add Account to confirm the action. PayPal may require you to verify your account. Check your email for a verification message from PayPal. Follow the instructions provided in the email to complete the verification process. Once verified, return to your account settings. Navigate back to the linked accounts section to ensure your new account is listed. To transfer funds, go to the Wallet section on the home page. Select the option to transfer funds. Choose the account you just linked as the source or destination for the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. PayPal will process your transfer, typically within a few business days. Once finalized, you will receive a notification confirming the transfer. Check both your PayPal account and your bank account to ensure the transfer has been completed successfully. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the PayPal Help Center for further assistance. With these steps, you can easily transfer accounts to PayPal without complications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.